Before you hit that Buy Now button, stick around to discover some surprising downsides of the ASRock Z890 LiveMixer Wi-Fi motherboard that might make you think twice. The ASRock LiveMixer motherboard is designed with content creators in mind, offering a sleek, Soundwave-inspired aesthetic that stands out in any setup. Its ATX form factor provides ample space for components, ensuring a clean and organized build. But does it look and feel as premium as its competitors? One of the standout features is its extensive connectivity. With a total of 23 USB ports, including dual Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports, this motherboard ensures you have all the connections you need for peripherals, storage devices, and more. This level of connectivity is particularly beneficial for streamers and creators who rely on multiple devices simultaneously. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 technology offers higher data throughput and lower latency, enhancing real-time interactive experiences, especially in VR and AR applications. Additionally, the 2.5 GB/s LAN provides a stable and fast wired connection for those who prefer it. For storage, the LiveMixer boasts 5 M.2 slots, accommodating high-speed NVMe SSDs, and 4 SATA 6 GB/s ports for traditional drivers. This flexibility allows for a robust storage setup tailored to your needs. In terms of audio, the Realtek ALC 1220 7.1 CH HD audio codec, combined with Nahemek audio, delivers immersive sound quality, enhancing both gaming and content creation experiences. Priced competitively, the ASRock LiveMixer Wi-Fi offers a compelling package for creators and gamers alike. For the latest offers, be sure to check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: limited PCIe 5.0 support. Potential overkill for users with minimal peripheral needs. Aesthetic design may not appeal to all users. Pros: extensive USB connectivity with 23 ports. Dual Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports for high-speed data transfer. Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5 GB/s LAN for versatile networking options. Multiple M.2 slots for flexible storage configurations. High-quality audio with Realtek ALC 1220 and Nahemek audio. If you're looking for a motherboard that offers extensive connectivity and robust features, the ASRock LiveMixer Wi-Fi is worth considering. Don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts.